Despite global economic pressures, including U.S. tariffs and China's retaliatory measures, Prime Minister Pierre remained optimistic, noting that the Caribbean region is still on track to outpace last year's global growth rate.
The Caribbean region, with the exclusion of Guyana, is expected to grow by 2.5% in 2025, 0.8 percentage points above the 2024 global growth figure of 1.7. While with the inclusion of Guyana, regional growth is expected to rise to 4.6% in 2025.
Pierre also pointed out that countries relying on commodity exports and tourism are expected to see growth. The Prime Minister also shared economic forecasts for the Eastern Caribbean Currency Union, ECCU.
In spite of the uncertain global economic outlook, the ECCU is projected to grow in the range of 3.5 to 4.4 in 2025, following a strong economic performance in 2024. Tourism activity in most countries of the ECCU has returned to pre-COVID levels. The economic expansion of ECCU is expected to be bolstered by construction, post-Hurricane Beryl reconstruction, and investment in infrastructure projects.
Economic data shows that Saint Lucia is outperforming global and regional growth, although it is yet to hit the lofty 7% growth rate necessary to double the size of the economy in 10 years.
Based on the main macroeconomic indicators, the Saint Lucia economy remains strong and trending in the right direction. Last year, the economy grew by 4.7% and is projected to grow by 4% this year after adjustments for inflation. Unemployment dropped in 2024 and reached single digits in the first quarter, the lowest level on record. The debt to GDP ratio for 2024 was 73.5% in the absence of rebasing. Mr. Speaker, our fiscal position remains strong, with our country recording the third consecutive year of primary surplus.
Recent global events have injected a high degree of uncertainty and unpredictability into economic events. Even countries like Saint Lucia that buy more from the U.S. than they buy from us have been hit with a 10% tariff that could dampen efforts to revitalize agriculture, sell new exports, and boost the economy. However, even with these external factors threatening growth, the Pierre administration hopes that continued prudent fiscal management could help the island weather the upcoming storm. For Choice News Now, I am Dara Lana.